I'm Dardana Simran, and today we're here at the Blend Bazaar. The Blend community is a people-powered platform that creates and curates all things related to food, fashion, and fiction. The Blend Bazaar is a diverse celebration of your story and this community. This is your destination to discover the power that experiences hold. I'm with Razia Ali. She's the founder of the Blend community. She's going to tell us a little bit about the brand and walk us through with what it was like to curate this first offline event.
Hello, hi, nice to have you here. I'm hoping you're enjoying the Blend Bazaar.
I'm loving it.
Awesome. So here we are with our first offline event, Blend Bazaar. We've been an online community for the last 1 year. I'm just so glad to have our first offline event here. And I'm so glad to see people mingling around food, fashion, fiction. That's what we are all about. I see a lot of bloggers, brands, and consumers all on the same platform. So super happy with Blend Bazaar.
So, you said that your tagline is food, fashion, and fiction, right? How did this idea come about? And this first offline event has happened post, I think, the pandemic.
That's right.
Right? So, what is your feeling like? Did this start during the pandemic? How did this Blend community come about? Could you tell our audience a little bit about that?
So, food, fashion, fiction are personally my passion areas. So, this idea stuck. It's a pandemic idea. I think I've said that enough. But the whole intent of starting this community was to really create a platform for brands, consumers, as well as creators, the influencers, right? I saw a huge void of some platform like that, which actually gets all these entire ecosystem together, and Blend exactly does that. It creates, curates, and co-creates a lot of stories with all of these people, right? So we are the hotspot, lifestyle junction to be if you want anything to do with food, fashion, fiction, Bangalore.
So you heard Razia Ali. The Blend community is your one-stop solution for all things fashion, food, and fiction. If you're a creator, a co-curator, and have a homegrown brand, don't forget to follow their page on their Instagram handle, which is @the Blend community.